Alright guys, we're out here with the RealACC R20. Now somebody left a comment and asked me to try to do this. I don't remember who it was because it was a while ago that I did it. And they wanted to know because I had two of them, because I bought one and the transmitter was no good, so Banggood sent me out another one. So now I have two, but only one good transmitter. He asked me, he said, do you think that if you turned them both on, turned on the transmitter, that would bind up both of them and that they would both fly at the same time? And I said, well, I don't know, but we'll try it out. What the heck, right? But the more I got to thinking about it, I'm thinking, okay, nothing good can happen here. Okay, so believe me, there's going to be a crash happening. Okay, I predict crashing. So I'm turning that one on. I'm turning that one on. Okay, so they're both bound. Okay, there's the compass. Okay, so let's this is going to be a quick video, I think. Okay, this video isn't going to last too long. Let's see what happens. Okay, so there you go. It worked. I told you that was going to be a crash. Okay, I knew it. This one, the battery even popped out. That was a hard hit, man. I might have to put that in slow motion. That knocked the hell out of that one. This one too. The battery popped out of both of them. No props broken or any of that. You know, just a little couple scuffs on the props. Let's shut the transmitter back off. Let's spread them apart a little bit more because they came right at each other. Let me go over here with this one and go here. Let me recalibrate the compass. Okay, I'm just trying this one more time because we know it works, right? So we know they'll both take off at the same time. But I was going to at least try to get it to move around for a second. Yeah, it's very confusing to try to do this, okay? This is... I just did this for a gag because somebody asked me to do it, so I didn't think it would hurt anything. Just crash. Big deal, right? Do that all the time with these things. But I will say that this thing is a great little flyer, man. I mean, I took this out. I have another video that I haven't even posted on this yet. I lost two of the feet from that crash, but I'll find them. They're laying around here somewhere. This one, they're all still here. But yeah, this is a great flyer, man. I'll tell you, I can't recommend this thing enough. Okay, I like this even better than the Hellaway, that 903H. I like this better, actually. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.